futbolista y que para nosotros es un jugador muy importante y es una buena noticia de que mañana pueda volver con el equipo.
It is evident that Koro is obviously an important football player for us and he's a good player, and it's good news that he'll be back for us tomorrow.
Es un buen equipo con un buen entrenador y que nos va a poner las cosas muy difíciles y que si no estamos al 100% mañana seguro que no ganaremos.
Delhi in the game against Jamshedpur showed that they've sort of turned the corner. They played a team against whom we evidently lost against, so they got a good result in getting a draw out of that. It's also noticeable that they had some changes to the lineup. They've recovered a lot of the players who were out injured for some form or the other. And I think tomorrow we're going to see a different form of Delhi, which we haven't seen so far. I think they're a good team with a good coach. Tomorrow if we're not at 100%, I don't see us getting those points easily.
We are not getting the results, but we are playing well. We play 7 games, and just one for me, we don't deserve more than what we get. Tomorrow is a game that for us is an important game. They are playing a very good football. And it's true that sometimes if you try to be very open, they can play between lines and they can damage you. Tomorrow is a game that we are preparing the last 2-3 days, and I think that will be a competitive game and will be a good game because both sides likes to play good football.
टॉप 4 टीम FC गोवा ब्रेस्तारा खेळटली. बॉटम 2 टीम Delhi Dynamos वांगडा. FC गोवाक टॉपार वचपाक जैत जाय जाल्यार Delhi Dynamosak अजून ह्या सर्तीन एकूय जैत मेळूंक ना, म्हणून तांचे जे ध्येय आहा तेंय जैताचें आहा. दोनी टिमीची जी मांडावळ पळयत जाल्यार तांचो खेळ पळयत जाल्यार एक फास्ट पेस्ड स्पॅनिश स्टायल फुटबॉल मॅच आमकां सगळ्यांक पळोवंक मेळटली, हातून दुबाव ना. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे वांगडा हांव नीरज प्रभू प्रुडंटा खातीर बांबोळेच्या एथलेटिक्स स्टेडियमांतल्यान.